Alright guys, hey, welcome back. Check it out, this is our newest project. I want to show you guys how to take a car that costs like, we got this for like 110 bucks or something like that on off the interwebs. And it's for one of our youngest members in the club. And what it happens to be is an old Bigfoot. You can't tell, but it's rough. Look at this, it is rough. Somebody painted the outside. But you can actually lift this off, you know, put a little brake cleaner on it, because remember the paint's on the inside on these ones. And what we're going to do is we're going to rip all that paint off, and you can see anywhere where there's masking tape, there's a break in it. And I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. And then we'll do something with these bumpers and whatnot. But you know, it's not going to be like a show ever. And we're just going to give him this one for right now. You know, just a stock Stampede. But we're going to go ahead and give it a custom little Bigfoot paint job. Maybe Sasquatch, I don't know. But anyways, if you look at this, look, it's pretty scabby, and I'm not knocking the guy that worked on it before at all. You know, this is just some people's, it's just not their taste. And this is what's cool. Can you see that right there? Swing it all the way around. That is a shock absorber. Yeah, instead of a steering stabilizer, the guy's got a shock absorber. Let's just pop that baby off real fast so we can get a better look, and you'll get a kick out of it. I gotta get a new nut driver. Mine on my drill is just toast. So, if anybody out there wants to send me a set, I'll leave you the contact below. Just kidding. Okay, now if you look at that, look. That is a shock absorber, guys. I give that guy on the MacGyver scale. That's a 10, buddy. You got it. I like it. The other stuff's a little shabby, but you know, it's just not some people's things. They like to drive these. They're made to, some people say, ride them hard and put them away wet. We never do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to tear this totally down. I mean, everything's going to come apart. Transmission, gears, everything. And we're going to do what's called the level 1 kit. And we'll fix that. We'll repaint it. As you can see over here, it's a mess. We got a bunch of paint. Bunch of cars. Give you a little tour of the war room. There's some of the parts on the wall. I got quite a few of the parts on the wall right now in that little toolbox, but you know, this is the war room. And anyways, this will be part 1 of the series, and we're just going to go right through it. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm not going to bore you with taking it apart. Everybody knows how to take something apart. So when we put it back together, I'll show you what we're going to do to fix everything. So right now the idea is to get it stripped, every single part put away or put aside, cleaned, addressed. It doesn't need fixed. We're going to rebuild all the shocks, put new pistons in them, new oil, tear the tranny down, put some good high quality grease in there that I like to use, proprietary, and get rid of these and put the actual adjustable stabilizers on them. And we're going to do a twin build. I've got another Stampede here that we're going to actually turn into twin Bigfoots, so that should be cool. So anyways, this is a little car, and it's rough for right now, but let's see what we can do with it. Put a little everything RC's Mr. 1979 Capri flavor on the situation, you know, because we are pumped up for this one. So anyways, okay guys, what I'm going to do now is I'll get this all tore down, and we'll go from there. And I'm going to start with the tires, shocks, mounting towers, ESC, motor, just everything. And it's going to come apart right now. So I will bring you right back as soon as that is done. Okay, guys? And hey, I just want to shout out to everybody that just recently subscribed. That means a lot. I can't thank you enough. Our channel is really kind of taking off. And if you could tell a friend or whatever, you know, smash that like button, give me a comment. I'm open to comments and open to ideas. So yeah, follow us along. Okay, guys? This is RC off Everything RCs and Mr. 1979 Capri. And thank all you guys. And here, let's do this. I'm going to show you just some other stuff in the shorts. You know, this is what we do. We build cars. We take these cars and we just make them better. And we got a series that'll beat these VXLs too. We got one I call an SKR that we build that just, it swamps these babies. But anyways, we're going to make this one all fresh. So remember, if you guys like this kind of video, let me know. Give me some comments on what you'd like to see, and we're certainly try to do it. And here's one of the things we're going to do right here. This will be about I don't know how many step videos, like 4 or 5 series in the series. So anyways, getting long on the tooth here. And so join us, guys. Like and subscribe, and I will bring you back when we're done here.